weather is getting warmer, and that means family pets are going to be spending more time outdoors. That could create some health problems for the family dog if you're not careful. Tonight on Animal Island, the information you need to keep your favorite pooch happy and healthy. Joining us now, once again, Dr. Michael Selmer from Advanced Animal Care. Welcome back, Dr. Selmer. We love having you in. All right. Now, you say there are several things dog owners need to watch for when the weather gets warmer. We're going to run those things down for you. Here's a quick look. First, if your dog's skin and coat develops a distinct odor, you need to watch out for that. Another warning that something's wrong, smelly ears. I've had those before on the dog. And, of course, you need to keep a close watch for bugs like fleas and ticks. All right, so we're going to start with the smell of a dog's skin. Why is that a concern?
Well, the big concern during that time of year is just like we suffer from allergies, so do our pets. So if they get an ear infection or a skin infection based on an allergic reaction, you're going to smell that infection. So it's important to see a veterinarian immediately.
Is it just the typical doggy, maybe the doggy needs a bath smell, or is it something more distinct?
No, I think you'll notice a difference. So,
okay.
You know, if you have a smell you're used to with your pet, I wouldn't be so concerned. It's when you see a change.
Okay. All right, something to think about. Now, dogs' ears, I do that a lot. I smell and watch the ears in the summertime because of the water and the moisture.
Right, and the smell is going to be that first indicator for you. If you're going to smell that odor when you lift that ear and you look in there, it could look a little mucky and dirty.
Right.
And that's a big tip-off that you may have an ear infection.
Now, a quick question about that. They sell a lot of things over the counter. Do those typically work? There are some powders, some liquids, or would you recommend seeing your vet?
Yeah, I recommend seeing a veterinarian because a lot of times, in the beginning, it's just itchy and inflamed, but if it does get infected, you do need to intervene with an antibiotic or something enzymatic that's going to help address the bacteria.
Okay, what about, and this is a true story, I have ear medication for my dog from last year. Is that still good this summer?
Well, you have to check the expiration date. Just like any medication you would take for yourself, before you use it, make sure that it's not expired, and you need to be careful with anything that has an antibiotic. You can't just use it on an as-needed basis because you can build resistance.
All right. Now let's talk about the big one, fleas and ticks. We know we have to watch out for those.
Yeah, fleas and ticks are a big problem, especially this time of year with the heat and the moisture, and they love to jump on our furry friends. So you have to make sure that you're always checking your pet after you go out for a walk and make sure you don't see any ticks or fleas on your pet. And you have many, many options available to help prevent them.
And you say every time we take them out? It's good
yeah,
to check?
I think it's important. Just like you would check your child, I think you should take a flea comb and run it through the coat of your pet and make sure that you don't see any fleas or ticks. Lyme disease is a serious disease.
Okay.
And it's transmitted by ticks. So if we can catch them before they bite, we can prevent the disease.
All right. Good information as always. Thanks again. Thank you, Yaya, pretty girl. All right. Dr. Selmer, thanks for coming in today. The information that every dog owner should know, it's on our website. We've got more information there about advanced animal care as well. News12.com. Click on numbers and links. We'll be right back with